Exteriorization. The magician has learned in this course how to sever his mental and his astral body from the physical body, and the problem therefore does not represent anything new to him. What he ignores is the fact that he does not have to separate the whole mental or astral body while performing this experiment, but that he can exteriorize or disconnect single parts of the body. The mental and the astral body not being confined to time or space, the magician will be able to transfer different parts of his body even to the farthest distance as soon as he separates these parts in the akasa with the help of imagination. For example, he will be able to transfer one or both of his eyes anywhere else in order to get impressions there in exactly the same way as if he were there physically, without wasting force in transferring his whole mental or astral body. He can do the same with his mental or psychic ears in order to hear things at unlimited distances. At first he will perform it through imagination with his spiritual body only, and later with his astral body. In this manner he will be able to see and to hear anywhere at the same time by means of his transferred eyes and ears without being in a state of trance or in the primary world. As soon as he possesses a certain skill in the eye-ear practice, he can try the same experiment with his hands and gradually with his feet as well. He will do so mentally at first, then with his astral hands, and by condensing the latter with the help of the earth element he can materialize them physically. It is obvious that he will be able to make himself conspicuous by these materialized hands, causing knocking sounds, etc. Naturally, a lot of spooks could be performed in this manner, but a true magician will not waste his precious time in such childish tricks. The faculty of writing at a distance between living persons may be interpreted in this manner too. Supposing a skilled magician has exteriorized his mental and his astral hand with the help of imagination by thinking of the hand as being somewhere else where a piece of paper and a pencil are prepared, his mental and his astral hand can seize the partner's hand at any distance and give normal messages. It is even possible to transfer the magician's correct handwriting by this experiment. Adepts call this particular feat writing at distance between living persons. If the magician has gained a certain mastery in exteriorizing his hands and feet, objects can be transferred in the same way. In a later chapter 1 I'm going to describe how to make an object invisible. The magician will notice that he cannot hear with his physical ears or see with his physical eyes, nor will he perceive anything at all that happens near him while exteriorizing his eyes or ears outside his body, even if he kept his eyes open. As for the exteriorization of a limb, say the hand, it will remain lifeless, cataleptic until the mental or astral limb has been reconnected with the body.